welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Mariah, but my friends call me Riah. In today's video, me and my boyfriend are going over to his friend's house to go to a Christmas party. Earlier today, we went to the store and we bought a white elephant gift. We bought a bottle of tequila, a shaker or mixer, and then like a bear head that's like a bottle opener. I'm super excited to see what other people got because I think white elephants are like supposed to be like funny gifts. I will definitely record it for you guys. Literally nothing is better than a clean beauty blender. The makeup just goes on so seamlessly. When I get ready, I usually watch like some type of show, but the only good show that's come out recently is Wednesday, and I finished that in like one day. So let me know if you guys know of any good shows that I could start watching. I have been watching every single season of Big Brother. Right now I'm watching season 14 that came out in like 2015 or something. My favorite part of getting ready is contouring my nose because I used to never do this, and it has made such a difference in my makeup game. This year has gone by so fast, I don't even know where it went. I'm gonna do the rest of this off camera and I will catch up with you guys once I start doing my hair because it is still very wet. I just got finished blow drying my hair. I just used the Revlon like comb brush that everybody uses. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave my hair straight or not. Me and Chris are about to eat dinner, so it depends on how long it takes me to eat, and then I'm gonna go to my sister's to steal some clothes from her too. So just got home from picking up clothes from my sister's and I found the cutest stuff. I'm so excited. But let's take a shot before we start getting ready because I have no idea what I'm gonna wear and I feel like I should be a little buzzed to pick my outfit. So let's do it. I am so happy right now. Okay, so here is the OOTD. There is the leather blazer jacket that I stole from my sister's. And then these jeans that I paired with some white heels. And then we have this shirt that is completely backless. It is so cute with the jewels. It's giving very Christmas vibes.
I want to thank everybody for coming here tonight and celebrate our wonderful friendships that we all have with each other. I couldn't be more grateful to be surrounded by such great people. And I think I speak for everyone when I say, have a holly jolly Christmas.
I told you! He was gonna say
3, 2, 1. Silly face in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, she's smart. With the fucking green chili dip, that's just gas.
Number one, he's gonna come up here and pick a gift. Number one. Say Gannon likes it. He's gonna steal Zach's gift. Zach gets to come up here and get a good one. Say Gannon doesn't want Zach's gift. Wait, shut the fuck up. It's Gannon number 2.
Yeah, fuck.
It's not that hard, folks. Who's number one? Hey.
who's number one?
I say, who's number one?
Who's number one?
Hello? Number one. Hey, talking to retards. This is house rules, Gannon. This is how we play it here. You need the drink. I do.
Oh my god, yeah. After that.
LED projector.
Okay.
Now number 2 goes. No, now number 2 gets the chance to steal yours or pick. Or you can go pick.
I'm picking.
Okay, yes.
Queen.
Yeah. Oh my god.
What is it? What is it?
Fucking
I'm sorry.
That's what I'm saying. Hey, nobody uses that shit, so it's like, who gives a, you know what I mean? Like, no one uses that shit.
Is that?
I don't know what this is. Oh wait, there's more. It goes off to the side.
That's for mixed drinks. That's to mix your drink.
You
That
can
one.
only steal from one person once.
Okay, a bottle?
You steal from, you can't steal from them again.
Like all the bottles I got gifted or any drinks tonight. Oh, I like that one. That's hard. That's dope. Cooper about that? I like that. That's sick.
Is that big?
I'll have to bottle opening.
That's like, is that a
With the
bear?
bear. The bear.
That's the one we saw. Do you guys remember?
Six reps. Oh, he's talking about soccer.
Well, here's the thing.
If somebody still did it. It's full.
You guys. Everyone look very good.
I had 2 of your sweaters, but not the
Whiskey glass.
Nice.
Alright.
Cooking with beer.
Ooh, no, that shit's good as fuck. Bro, some beer broths.
Our gift got stolen.
Now you can go pick another one, or you can.
The fact we got into an argument about this.
Bro, she knew first. We were at the store, she's like, they're not gonna do anything. Get away. I'm like,
Oh. That's cool.
Someone's stealing that.
Someone's stealing that. Anybody's gift? Or you can pick.
I really want this.
And just know you can fit 9.
Oh, a speaker. That's really nice.
Is
Candle. I love candles.
hey, what's that scent on that candle?
That's healing wood. Oh,
That's not the scent.
so mine big one.
Wait, you sell.
Who bought the air fryer? For real? You really bought the?
Yeah, you can use it.
Wow, Maddie.
You are literally the worst person I've ever.
Gannon, she's gonna put her skincare in that. That's messed up.
Hey, I love how he knows she needs it for her makeup and doesn't give a fuck.
Yep.
Beer.
It's for beer.
That's a mess.
Stole the.
You still get it?
I'm subject to
Nah, she's pissed, bro.
big money.
Oh. All right. He stole it back. He stole it back.
In the back. Like, put your
Big shot. I don't know. Who wrecked it? Oh, look, it's $50.
Oh.
Alright, 13. 10.
I'm 13, baby. That shit for me.
Wait, that's 60 bones?
Oh, put the money in the bag.
Steal that shit. Steal that shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
Put the money in the bag.
Stole it back.
Oh, fuck no. Maddie, give me that shit back.
That little thing.
A book? A book?
He's so exponential.
A book? Oh, she's serious.
It's Matt LeBlanc. No, it's Matthew Perry's. Nah, you count your fucking days, bro.
Show the book!
Oh, he was.
There we go. You want to set that shit machine? Bounce back. No, it won't.